So grab homework help. You get homework help. Let's start. Welcome, guys. We're doing homework together again. You should be on page 205, number 5. Easy to remember. It's the bottom half of the page you didn't do yet. Let's take a look at it together. Let's make sure Mr. Graham doesn't blah blah too much. Only one problem, so you shouldn't. Although sometimes one problem can be a lot of work. There you go. And bada bing, bada boom. Would anyone like to read the problem for us? Go ahead, Destiny. Nice and loud, Destiny.
Jake and Sarah each bought a carton of eggs. Some of the eggs were broken and some were not.
All right, so we've got eggs. Cool. We've got some broken, some not broken. Interesting. Take a look at Jake's carton. Take a look at Sarah's carton. They're giving us important information right away. Jake's carton has a total, that's an important word, of 6 eggs. And exactly 2 broken eggs. Alright? Sarah's carton has a total of 18 eggs. And exactly blank, oh boy, great, blank broken eggs. They're not telling us. Sarah has the same fraction of broken eggs in her carton as Jake has in his carton. In the space below, draw pictures of the eggs in Jake's carton and the eggs in Sarah's carton. Use numbers to show the fraction of broken and unbroken eggs in each. Alright, so let's do what we know. Let's do what we know right away. We know everything about Jake, right? Let's draw a carton of eggs. They tell us to. They tell us to draw, so let's draw. I'm going to draw a little box. Little rectangle. Sorry. Little rectangle. There's our carton right there. Now I got to make sure I do this the right way. And they told us to draw, so it's not an option. They said, it's not like, oh, draw if you want to. You have to draw. So, what should I do with this carton of eggs? I got a carton, but I have to fill it up, right? So, how much should I put in there? Matthew?
6.
Good job. 6 is the total. That's why that information is so important. It's easy to make a total of 6. I'm just going to go ahead and draw some lines. 1, 2, and then 1 through the middle. And then I guess if I want to draw eggs, I would just put little circles in the little spots. There you go. A total of 6, right? That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, here's a problem. I'm not done yet with this drawing. What else do I have to add to it to make the drawing for Jake's carton complete? Martin?
2 broken eggs.
2 broken eggs. All right, now all I'm going to do to make it a little simple for me is just draw a line through 2 of them. 1, 2. Those are my broken eggs. Simple, yeah? Now, they said to do more than just a drawing, though. They also said to use numbers. So if you're taking a big test and they give you a question like this, you must realize that if all you do is draw, you won't get your points. You must also use your numbers as well. But using numbers for this is actually pretty easy. Can't we use this phone? Can't we make this fraction? Can't we make this picture a fraction? How?
Nope.
How do fractions work? You know how they work when you draw a picture, don't you? Adriana?
2 out of 6.
2 out of 6. Perfect. That's because we have 6 total, and 2 of them are broken. Oh, but it also says to do fraction of broken and unbroken. See? Broken and unbroken. So green, we'll say greens are broken fraction. No, actually, we should make red our broken fraction because it matches our drawing better. So 2 out of 6
C. Yes.
And then, what's our unbroken fraction? You just kind of look at the other ones. Jasmine? 4 out of 6. Thank you. So there's our broken and unbroken. Cool. We got Jake done. All we got to do now is Sarah. So let's draw on the other side of our paper another rectangle for Sarah's eggs. Sorry, the whiteboard's been a little glitchy. And this one has a total of how much? So that's how many boxes we need. Not so hard. It's more than the other, but it's not so hard. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if I draw something in the middle, that'll double me up to 18. Alrighty. And I may as well fill them all up with eggs, right? Putting some eggs in there. Lot of eggs, lot of eggs. Look at all of the eggs in here. There's some eggs, more some eggs. Blah, 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 blah. Drying eggs.
Isn't that a theme song or something?
Yeah, it's kind of like the Spider-Man theme from a long time ago. Alright, so we have 18 eggs, and how many broken eggs? Do they even tell us?
No.
Darn it! They don't tell us! Well, we can still do the fraction, right? We can still do the bottom part of the fraction. What's the bottom part of our fraction going to be over here? Ivan?
18.
Yeah, because they told us that, right? So at least we know what the bottom part is. It's too bad there's no way to figure out what the top part's supposed to be. Or is there? It totally is, guys. How can we figure out what the top part's supposed to be? Remember, it says that they are supposed to be the same fraction. That means you can look at the relationship between them, and the relationship should be the same. Who has something smart to say that I haven't talked to yet, maybe? Israel.
You times 6 by 3 and that will be 18, so you times 2 by 3 and that will be 6.
Does everybody see that 6 times 3 is 18? That's the relationship on the bottom. The relationship on the top should be the same. 2 times 3 should give us that. And 4 times 3 should give us that. The fraction for broken and unbroken. Figure out what those numbers are. Complete our drawing. How many should be broken? I think the rest you can do all on your own. You have 1 more minute. You can bring it up to me and show me what you have if you want to. Everybody say goodbye, class.
Bye.